Hi beautiful people, so today we're going to try this 2-minute head wrap using your elastic band. So you're going to hold it at the length side down like this, and you're going to pleat everything at this side down all through. Okay, so this is how to just do it. Pick it up bit by bit. Get your elastic band available because you need it to carry out this operation. Do it yourself head wrap. Okay, so I'm almost done pleating every part here down. So when I'm done pleating it down, we're going to go to the next stage, which you're going to be seeing soon. Okay, so I'm still on it, pleating it down. So yeah, if you are trying this, what you're going to get available is just your elastic band, and you are good to go. Now I'm done with pleating that side down, and this is what I have. I'll adjust this side before I firm it up with my band. So I'm trying to grab it up with my band now. So I'm done. This is the next step. We're going to place the other part, I mean the remaining part down, place it on your head like this, and the excess you have here, grab everything together. Use your hand to pack everything or pack everything, and you need another set of band to secure it at the back. Now if you like, the one you packed, you can just tuck it in, or you just use it to make a flowery shape at the back. We're going to go back to that later, but here at the front, this is what we have. You're going to take a bit sideways and pin it down. Okay, you can actually use this to form any design of your choice, but I decided to do this. So I stretch it sideways, pick this one, stretch it a bit, another side here, and secure down. Okay, this is absolutely fast. When I say fast, this is fast. Okay, so you use your hand to adjust all the adjustables. And what do you need again? Check it out, feel where you need to adjust. So here's the back. You can just stretch it out like this, or you dip it in and secure it. We don't want it like this. So that's the back, and here is the front, guys. I'm still adjusting. It's very necessary for you to adjust. In 2 minutes you are done with this head wrap. So before I go, let me quickly show you how I can still add my brunch to add more beauty to this head wrap. You know that my brunch, I do like it because it gives it that beautiful touch. So here is it I'm adding to it. So what do you think after adding my brunch? Do you think it had more beauty to it? So here is it here, and that's the bag, guys. Like and share and follow for more videos. Bye.